So setting up your brand style guide can be time-consuming and intimidating if you're not a designer. Well, not anymore. I'm going to show you how to quickly set up your brand style guide in Beefree using just a website URL. Hard to believe? Well, let me walk you through it. First, it's important to mention two things though. To use this feature, you must be the account owner and have a valid business email. Secondly, how you access this feature differs depending on whether you're on a free plan or a premium one. Let me show you what I mean. The free plan allows you to add your brand style to your workspace, but only during the onboarding process. So let's say you're ready to create your Beefree account, and we click sign up. Then you'll need to verify your email address. Now, based on the business email you entered, Beefree will search for any of your colleagues who have signed up to make it easy to join organizations they've already created. However, if we want to create our own organization, we can simply skip this step. Then we're asked to personalize our organization. Once we have that information, we can hit next. Okay, great. So here we are, and this is where we can get our brand style with one click. We just need to add the website URL we would like to pull the brand style from. So for the sake of this example, let's just input beefree.io. Now, if we click Preview Styles, we can see all the colors, fonts, and social media links that Beefree has fetched from the website we've provided. If we're happy with this, all we need to do is hit Get Styles to import this brand style. Now, once you land in Beefree, you can access your brand style guide by heading to Settings and then Styles. Now, with free plans, you can add more colors if you so choose. However, you won't be able to edit your fonts and social media links, which are exclusive to premium plans. For premium plan customers, you can import your brand style guide at any time. Just navigate to a workspace, click Settings, Styles, Get Brand Styles. And just as I showed you before, you can add any public-facing URL here. This time, let's try and fetch the brand guide of Salesforce.com, for instance. Pretty cool. In just one click, we can now import the brand style guide of one of the world's most popular CRM platforms, just like that. Now remember, you'll need to be an owner, admin, or manager role to access this feature. Now, if we see this yellow icon here, it means that it's fetched a custom font that can only be imported manually. To do this, head to the Styles tab, scroll to Custom Fonts, and then click Add a New Font. And that's how you import your brand style in a single click. But here's a few quick things to remember before we wrap up. The first one is, if you use Get Brand Styles, you will overwrite any brand styles you previously added. And number two, Get Brand Styles will only retrieve colors, fonts, or social media links from the website that you input. It is also possible that it only retrieves a combination of those things, but that will entirely depend on the website itself and how it's configured. So thanks for tuning into this video. We'll see you in the next one.